Looker versus Power BI versus Tableau. Which is the best? So, first of all, choosing the right BI tool can be challenging since you have Looker, you got your Power BI, and even Tableau. Then they all serve similar purposes, but they will excel in different areas. So each has unique strengths depending on your organization site, tech stack, and reporting needs. So it's all going to depend on your preference on whichever is going to be the best. So starting off, we have our Looker. This is a modern, somewhat cloud-first business intelligence platform that emphasizes centralized data governance and modeling through LookML. It allows organizations to define metrics consistently across teams and even works best with cloud data warehouses like BigQuery or even Redshift. Looker is ideal for enterprises that need scalable, governed, and reporting, which wants a semantic layer to ensure everyone is using the same definitions. It has a strong cloud data warehouse integration that scales well for large organizations. Although the visualizations are less flexible than Tableau, or it requires LookML knowledge, and it also can be somewhat expensive. More on that later. We're just gonna go ahead with our Power BI. Now this is Microsoft Business Intelligence Suite. It's built to integrate seamlessly with Excel, Azure, and the Microsoft 365 ecosystem. It will provide a familiar interface with Excel users and allows organizations to quickly create dashboards, reports, and share insights across teams. And Power BI is especially attractive for companies looking for cost-effective BI with strong collaboration tools. It has the pros of being cost-effective, easy for Excel users to adapt, and strong sharing and collaboration features, although it is less flexible for highly complex analytics and performance may require premium capacity. Plus, the cloud versus on-prem deployment can be somewhat confusing, but again, we're just going to go ahead and compare it all together in the end of this video. We're just going to move on to Tableau. Now, Tableau is a leading BI platform known for its flexibility and advanced data visualization. So it excels at turning complex datasets into your intuitive, interactive dashboards and is widely used for exploratory analysis. Tableau supports both desktop and cloud environments and is favored by organizations that will prioritize deep analytics and visually impactful reporting. So it is somewhat powerful and has the flexible visualization, which we already mentioned, but it is on a higher cost compared to competitors with a steeper learning curve. But this year, if you want to have a final verdict, then Looker over here is best for enterprises that need cloud-first reporting with consistent metrics. On the other hand, we have our Power BI. So Power BI will be ideal for organizations seeking a cost-effective Microsoft integrated solution for everyday BI. And finally, you have Tableau. So Tableau will shine for companies that prioritize advanced analytics and highly flexible visualization, where deep insight and data exploration are key. Now you could always go ahead and explore each website if you'd like, since they are somewhat free to take a look at. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.